How to share your profile link on Discord. So if you want to share your profile link on Discord, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just search for Discord, open up your Discord application. Now, once you open your Discord, you need to go with profile, which is on the bottom right. And from there, you need to go with settings, which is on the top right. Under your settings, you need to scroll down and go with the advanced section. Tap on advanced. And from the advanced, make sure that your developer mode is turned on. After turning on your developer mode, you just need simply go back and go with your servers. Select any server that you're comfortable with. Here you need to go with general. Under general, you can simply go and send a message, any message that you're comfortable with. And here you will have your profile right on the left side. Tap on your profile and your profile will pop out right like this. After your profile pops up, you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots. And here you will have these options, which is copy username, copy user ID. So you just need simply go and copy your user ID. So tap on copy user ID. And once your user ID has been copied, you can go with the chat, any chat that you're comfortable with, send it. And this is your user ID. That's how you can share your profile link on your Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.